Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make an easy butterfly. What you need is a piece of paper and a pair of scissors. First, on the right hand bottom corner, fold it up like this. Then cut along the line. Put the piece of paper and the pair of scissors to one side. You shall now have a piece of square paper. Make sure the line going to the middle is facing you. Now fold it outward like this. Open it, turn it around. Now from here, fold it out to make a rectangle. Turn and do the same with this side. Now from here, turn around and bend these corners to make a triangle. Just like this. From here, bend it out, but make sure it's not touching this corner. Do the same with this side. Turn it around and flip it. From this corner, bring it up. Turn around and from here, fold it downward. Now fold this in half like that and fold it down like this and do the same with this side. Open it out and you shall now have a good looking butterfly. You can color it in to make it look good. Oh, and remember to subscribe to my channel. Bye guys!